Some people ask me, what is the hot-selling product to import from China? Today, I want to share with you 10 hot-selling products to import from China. Number 1, electronic product and smart device. Example, wireless headphones, smart watches, drones, Bluetooth, speakers, mini projectors. Rapid technology innovation and high demand, especially in the smart device and market, offer larger profit margins. Before buying this product, ensure product quality and compliance with export market, safety and certification standard. Number 2 is beauty and personal care products. For example, face masks, facial cleaning devices, electronic toothbrushes, jade rollers. The beauty market is steadily growing, with high added value for skincare and beauty devices. Before buying this product, ensure ingredient safety, especially for a product that directly contact the skin and comply with the healthy standard of the importing country. Number 3, home and garden product. Example, LED light strips, smart home devices, gardening tools, decorative ornaments. Increasing demand for home decor and gardening with relatively low cost and high profit margins. Something to need to know is home product may be seasonal. Smart home devices need to meet electronic safety standard. Number 4, toys and games. Examples, educational toys, building blocks, board games, remote control cars. Steady demand for educational toys for children and leisure activities for adults with good profit margins. Something to note here, must comply with safety standards like ASTM or CE certifications to ensure non-toxic materials. Number 5, clothing and accessories. Clothing, scarves, handbags, bracelets. Developed the textile industry in China with low raw material and labor costs, suitable for the fast-moving fashion market. Something to note here, keep an eye on fashion trends. Choose a durable material and ensure size and quality standard are met. Number 6, health and fitness product. For example, yoga mats, dumbbells, fitness trackers, massage guns. Increased health consciousness and rising demand for fitness equipment offer significant profit and potentials. Something to note here, ensure durability of fitness equipment and fitness trackers must meet the quality standard for electronic products. Number 7, office supplies and stationaries. Example, office chairs, notebooks, desktop organizers. The rise of the remote work has increased demand for office furniture and stationery products. Something to note here is office chairs and furniture must meet ergonomic design standard for comfort and durability. Number 8, automotive parts and accessories. For instance, car fan holders, in-car air purifiers, seat covers. Profit reason is stable growth in the automotive market with high profit potential in personalized accessories. Something to note here is ensure compliance with automotive industry quality and safety standard, especially for safety-related accessories. Number 9, outdoor sports equipment. For example, camping tents, sport wears, backpacks. The trend of outdoor sports has driven demand for equipment with good profit margins. Something to note here is ensure durability and suitability for outdoor environments in compliance with relevant safety standard. Number 10, travel accessories. Example, suitcases, travel pillows, power adapters. Increased travel demand after the recovery with a surge in the need of practical travel accessories. Something to note here is ensure portability and functionality, especially for power adapters, which must meet voted safety standards.